have a solution for the login file in FIFA Mobile. Okay, we are going to the settings of your phone, okay, and here we are going to the apps, okay. Here go to the apps and we are going to the FIFA Mobile, okay. This is a first step, okay. And here for the Android you delete a cache, and here for the iOS, okay, you activate this option. Okay, the second step, we are going to the App Store or Play Store, and here in the search bar, okay, we are going to put FIFA Mobile, okay. And here if you have any button for the update, okay, you update the game. Okay, the third step, we are going to the mobile, okay, and restart, okay, the mobile, and you fix the error of login file in FIFA Mobile. Bye bye.